Okay. Today, let us study the continuation of chapter 4 from your social science geography. Well, in the previous class, we have discussed some of the important points on industries, okay, including classification on the basis of size, raw materials, ownership, etc., etc. Is it not? We also have discussed about the factors that influence the location of industries. Okay, and in the previous class we have discussed iron and steel industries. Okay, with reference to Tata iron and steel industry in Jamshedpur, and also the iron and steel industry that we have in Detroit, United States of America, right? So today let us try to cover these textile industries. Well, textile industries are classified on the basis of the raw material used. Okay, first one is cotton textile industry. Cotton textile industry use cotton, okay, as a raw material, and they produce different types of clothes. Okay, so next one is woolen textile industry. Woolen textile industry produce different types of wools, okay, for making different types of clothes. Silk textile industry use this silkworm, you can see from the picture right here. Okay, and they produce different types of textile or silk clothes. The next one is jute textile. This jute textile is very important because these jute textiles are used for making different types of gunny bags, bora khau, bora thauri and all. Okay, and not only that, this jute, it is also used for making carpets and different varieties of decorative clothes or decorative textiles. All right, and another one is synthetic textile. Synthetic textile means the textiles such as nylon, such as styrene. Okay, all these things consist of these synthetic textiles. They are also used for producing different types of clothes. All right, so out of these, let us take this cotton textile industries. Cotton textile industries are or were the oldest industries, okay, in the world, so to say. The coming of the industrial revolution, it changed in the textile industry. Previously, people use handlooms. You know what a handloom is? Okay, the clothes were made with hands. It was a handmade, so to say. All right, handlooms with the help of these handlooms. But after the industrial revolution, clothes were made by power looms. Power looms means machine looms that were made of machines. Okay, you can see from the picture right here. Understand? So that's the difference. After the industrial revolution, power looms replaced these hand looms, and the development of this cotton textile industry was first developed in Great Britain, and later on it spreads to another places, another countries, different countries in the world. Okay, first in Great Britain, and it slowly started to spread to France, Germany, okay, Italy and all. And after that, it is also spread to far off countries like India, China and all. Okay, I'm sure you have understood this one. This was how the cotton industry or the cotton textile industry was developed after the industrial revolution. Okay, so India, China and Japan, they are the important cotton textile producers. And not only producer, they are these countries are important textile exporters of the world. Okay, you can see from the map India, China and Japan. The next one is, as far as India is concerned, cotton textile is considered to be a very important industry. Okay, one of the reason was the cotton textiles of India was famous all over the world, especially for their quality and also the design, okay, that were made in the cotton textile or in the cotton clothes. But however, the products were very expensive, okay, though they were good quality and their designs were also very beautiful. But one of the disadvantages is that it was very expensive. So after the coming of industrial revolution, they could not face the competition with the cheap and good quality fabrics made by the textile mills of the West, especially the Europeans. Understand? The European fabrics were very cheap, as well as their quality were much better. So the Indian textiles, you can see from the picture, their textiles were made of handlooms. Understand? So it was very expensive because it takes times to make all these clothes. Understand? I'm sure you have understood this one. So that is why there was a setback for the cotton textile industry in India at that time. Alright. So the first cotton textile mill was set up in Mumbai in the year 1854. One of the advantage for setting up of this cotton mill in Mumbai was the availability of cotton, okay, in Mumbai, in and around Mumbai, so to say, availability of cheap labor, and they are also easy access to British machinery, okay, and it was suitable climatic condition, and this cotton textile industry, okay, for making clothes very much favorable to humid climate. Alright, so you can see from the picture, this was the first cotton textile mill in Mumbai. It was established in 1854. Okay, some of the important centers where cotton textile industries were located consists of Mumbai, okay, from the map, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, Chennai, in Kolkata, and Ludhiana. Let's take this Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is located in Gujarat on the bank of Sabarmati river. Okay, this is the river. It's about 440 kilometers north of Mumbai. Okay, so if you look at the map, Ahmedabad is located here. It's about 440 kilometers. Well, so the first textile mill was established in 1859. That means it was second to Mumbai, and this Ahmedabad is also known as Manchester of India. Okay, Manchester is in Britain, in England. So in India, Ahmedabad is like this Manchester. So it is named as Manchester of India. And Ahmedabad is very close to the cotton growing areas. They have a humid climate which is suitable for spinning as well as weaving, and they are also linked with internal markets of the country. Okay, many skilled and unskilled labor are available in this Ahmedabad, in this region, so to say. Okay, however, in recent years, Ahmedabad textile mills face a lot of problems. They have a setback. Many of them have old machines. Listen, so they are unable to compete with the new textile manufacturers. And so many new different designs of machines came up. Because of that, they could not compete with them. So as a result, many mills in this area, in this Ahmedabad, have been closed down. Okay, one of the reason is they could not compete with new textile manufacturer of that area. Okay, let's see the next one. Another textile industry, Osaka in Japan. Okay, they are not popular only in textile industry but also This Osaka, which is located here in Japan, is supposed to be the largest industrial centers. Alright, so you can see from the picture right here, this is Osaka, this city. It is a coastal city and a very important port. This city is also known as Manchester of Japan. Manchester of India is Ahmedabad. Manchester of Japan is Osaka. Okay, so they have got some advantages for setting up of this cotton industry. One of the reason is they have warm and humid climate. They have extensive plain. Okay, if we look at this picture, and they also have convenient ports for exports and for the transportation of their products. Okay, hydroelectricity as well as thermal electricity are available. Skilled and unskilled labor are also available in and around this Osaka. Okay, one of the river Yudo, let's repeat again, river Yudo supplies enough water for the use in the cotton mills. Yeah, so those are the advantages for setting up of cotton industry. So if you look at this picture, this is river Yudo. Okay, and this is Osaka in Japan, and this river, it play a vital role in supplying water in this city as well as in most of the industries in this area. Okay, so I think for today we'll learn only up to here. Next class we'll try to take up information technology industries as well as industries, some of the industries that we have in Manipur. We'll take up these two topics and then we will go to the next chapter. So I wish you should learn all the notes from the study materials which I have sent you in your WhatsApp group, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. May God bless you. Thank you so much for participating in this learning.